So what happened, Kyle?
We blew the coupler apart a little bit. No big deal. We'll fix it.
All right, Kyle from StreeTechniques. What are you doing in this 6.0 Powerstroke?
We put an adrenaline high pressure oil pump in it, put a police sheet turbo in it, bulletproof diesel, external oil cooler setup, and a remote oil filter. Put 175/30 injectors in it, and a couple other little things. Can't really tell those.
How much power is this Excursion supposed to make, Kyle?
550 horsepower.
Is that NA or is that corrected power?
NA. This is forced induction.
What?
Forced induction.
I'm ready for the world right now. The smoke of my one desire. It tries to erase what matters over.
It's Friday night, Saturday morning, like 4 a.m. I just finished this Excursion. Different turbo, different fuel system, different tunes, different oiling system. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, she's rowdy. She's definitely rowdy. That customer will be happy. I told you. That was first gear, second gear. StreeTechniques. Like, comment, and subscribe to